Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 1st of March. National news: India forecast heat waves after hottest February since 1901. Expect free trade agreement with EU to be game changer. S. Jaishankar. Teaching Gujarati in primary schools now mandatory in Gujarat. Bharti Airtel is looking to raise mobile phone call and data rates across all plans this year. Aviation regulator issued advisory ahead of Uttarakhand Char Dham Yatra. China's foreign minister to attend G20 meet in India on March 2. Climate finance is one of India's agendas at the G20. In Delhi demolition drive case, court seek identity documents of residents. Need constitutional discourse. Supreme Court on Punjab government versus governor. And now some international news. Wikipedia fined 27,000 by Russia court over military misinformation. Russia said open to Ukraine talks but won't give up annexed reasons. Study linked artificial sweetener to higher rates of heart attack and stroke. NATO allies have agreed that Ukraine will become a member of the alliance in the long term. Reuters journalist social media handle fake to approach Chinese activist. Russian spy plane worth rupees 2,737 crore destroyed by drones in Belarus, a report said. Now, sports news: India will take on Australia in third test match from Wednesday. Jasprit Bumrah, ruled out of IPL 2023, may undergo back surgery, sources. India among 8 direct qualifiers for Women's T20 World Cup 2024. Sachin Tendulkar's life-size statue to be unveiled at Wankhede during 2023 World Cup. French Football Federation President Noël Le Graët resigned on Tuesday. Wounded Barcelona faced Real Madrid in Spanish Cup semi-final. And now news related to business. GDP growth rate slowed for second quarter, Q3 growth at 4.4%. India's economy seen losing speed as rising rates hurt demand. Most Adani Group stocks recovered. Adani Enterprises rose 14.22%. Output of 8 key infra sectors grew at 4-month high of 7.8% in January. Fiscal deficit touched 67.8% of full-year targeted January end data. India gave hope for the future. Bill Gates after meeting RBI Governor Shaktikant Das. Rupee rose 15 paise to end at 82.64 against US dollar. Sensex Nifty declined for 8th continuous day amid volatility. And that's all in news. Thank you.